Hello everyone! Have you ever wondered how those juicy sausages you enjoy at every cookout are actually made? Today, we're lifting the curtain on the incredible journey from farm to factory to your plate. In this video, we'll explore how massive sausage factories produce over 2 tons of sausage daily, using cutting-edge technology and time-honored methods you probably never imagined. We're going behind the scenes, from how the pigs are raised with the utmost care, to the precise science of seasoning and stuffing, all the way to the smoky flavors and perfect packaging that bring these tasty treats to your table. If you've ever been curious about what really goes into making that perfect sausage, you're in the right place. Stay tuned because we'll reveal fascinating facts about animal welfare, advanced factory automation, and even the exact methods that give sausages their signature snap and flavor. Spoiler alert, there's a lot more to that satisfying snap than just good seasoning. It's all in the science. And a little bit of sausage magic, of course. Trust me, you'll be amazed by the craftsmanship and precision involved in every step of this process. Stick around to the very end for a deep appreciation of the science, engineering, and care that turn basic ingredients into something extraordinary. And you might even learn a tip or two that makes you the star of your next barbecue. If that sounds good, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We're always bringing you more behind-the-scenes looks into how your favorite foods are made, and you won't want to miss it. Let's dive in. Animal welfare is a top priority in modern pork production, as the quality of the meat directly correlates with how the animals are treated. Pigs are raised in controlled environments designed to minimize stress and maximize comfort. These facilities are equipped with advanced climate control systems, automated feeding stations, and spacious pens that allow pigs to move freely. For instance, consider a pig farm with automated feeding schedules that ensure every pig gets its required nutrients on time without overcrowding at feeding areas. The comfort provided by these automated systems not only ensures animal well-being, but also contributes to healthier and tastier meat. These pigs are living in what's basically the Ritz-Carlton of pig farms. Climate control, personalized feeding schedules, all that's missing is the minibar. Producers follow strict guidelines and regulations set by organizations such as the USDA and the National Pork Producers Council (NPPC) to ensure that the animals are treated humanely. Veterinary care is readily available, and farm workers are trained to recognize signs of stress or illness, ensuring that each pig is healthy and well cared for throughout its life. This attention to detail is crucial for producing high-quality pork and also aligns with the ethical expectations of consumers. Many farms participate in programs like the Pork Quality Assurance Plus PQA+, which provides further oversight to maintain standards of care. The process begins with transporting pigs to the slaughterhouse. After arrival, they are carefully unloaded into holding pens where they rest. This resting period is essential, not just a gesture of kindness, but a critical step to reduce stress. High stress levels can cause the meat to become pale, soft, and watery, a condition called PSE, compromising its quality and appeal. To illustrate, imagine a typical slaughterhouse designed to handle thousands of pigs weekly. Each batch of pigs is provided with an environment that minimizes stress factors like noise and overcrowding, helping to maintain optimal meat quality. Ensuring animal welfare at this stage directly influences the final product's texture and flavor. The next step is stunning. a humane procedure that ensures pigs feel no pain during slaughter. There are two primary methods: electrical stunning. An electric current is passed through the pig's brain, rendering it unconscious instantly. This method is quick and effective, ensuring the animal experiences no pain. CO2 stunning. Pigs are exposed to high concentrations of carbon dioxide, which also induces unconsciousness. This approach is often used in facilities focusing on animal welfare because it creates a more gradual loss of consciousness, resulting in less stress for the animal. Both methods are continuously monitored and refined to meet ethical standards and ensure efficiency, reflecting the industry's commitment to humane practices. In many modern facilities, stunning is automated, with sensors ensuring each pig is properly stunned before proceeding. This not only guarantees humane treatment, but also enhances worker safety and efficiency in the processing line. Additionally, there is ongoing research to improve stunning techniques, making the process as quick and painless as possible. After stunning, the pigs move to the exsanguination phase, or bloodletting. The pig is suspended upside down, and the main blood vessels in its neck are severed. This step is vital for food safety and maintaining meat quality. Efficient bloodletting prevents blood from clotting in the meat, ensuring a consistent texture and appearance. Imagine a factory line where thousands of pigs are processed daily, with automated systems monitoring each carcass to ensure complete and thorough exsanguination, thus upholding the highest standards. Next comes scalding and dehairing, where the carcass is immersed in hot water to soften the skin and make hair removal easier. Following this, evisceration takes place, where internal organs are carefully removed. Precision during this stage is critical to avoid contamination from bacteria or fecal matter. In a large-scale processing facility, automated tools are used to ensure precision, and every action is carried out under strict hygiene protocols to uphold safety and quality standards. After evisceration, the carcass is split, thoroughly cleaned, and moved to a chilling facility. Rapid and effective chilling slows bacterial growth and preserves the meat's freshness. This step is a critical control point in ensuring the safety and quality of the final product. Advanced chilling systems are often employed, using blast chillers that quickly reduce the temperature to below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, locking in the freshness. Before moving to the next stage, qualified inspectors examine the meat for signs of disease or contamination. Only meat that meets stringent health and safety standards proceeds to sausage production, safeguarding public health and maintaining consumer trust. In some facilities, advanced imaging technology is used to aid inspectors in identifying any potential issues, making the process both thorough and efficient. High-resolution cameras and sensors can detect abnormalities that might be missed by the human eye, adding an extra layer of quality control. Once inspected, the meat is transferred to the sausage production line. For example, companies like Smithfield Foods, a global leader in pork production, emphasize rigorous quality control at every stage. Trimming. The pork is trimmed to remove unwanted parts, ensuring consistency in texture and flavor. Skilled workers use specialized knives to carefully trim the meat, while machines assist in speeding up the process without compromising precision. Any excess fat or sinew is removed, leaving only the quality portions that will eventually become the sausages we all enjoy. Cutting. The trimmed meat is cut into small, manageable pieces, typically no larger than 2 inches, to facilitate even grinding. Advanced cutting machines can handle hundreds of pounds of meat per hour, ensuring the process remains swift and efficient. The trimmed pieces are fed into industrial grinders, which transform them into finely ground meat. The coarseness of the grind is adjusted depending on the type of sausage being produced, whether it's a coarse bratwurst or a fine hot dog. Advanced grinders are capable of processing thousands of pounds of meat per hour, and they include features that maintain a consistent temperature during the grinding process to prevent bacteria from developing. The ground meat is then thoroughly mixed with spices, seasonings, and sometimes fillers. This stage is where companies like Johnsonville Sausage stand out, using proprietary recipes to cater to diverse consumer tastes, from mild breakfast sausages to spicy chorizos. The flavor combinations are endless, and each blend is carefully measured to achieve a consistent taste profile. Imagine a mixing vat the size of a small swimming pool, where precise quantities of salt, paprika, garlic, and other spices are blended with the meat to create a perfect batch of sausage filling. Large mixers are used at this stage, incorporating precise amounts of each ingredient. Some mixers even have temperature controls to ensure the mixture stays cool, preserving flavor and quality. For example, a classic Italian sausage blend might include fennel, garlic, and pepper, all mixed to create the familiar savory profile that consumers love. Maintaining a consistent flavor across thousands of pounds of sausage is a remarkable achievement of both technology and craftsmanship. In addition to spices, other ingredients such as curing agents, binders, and preservatives may be added to enhance flavor, texture, and shelf life. The mixing process is closely monitored to ensure all ingredients are evenly distributed. Advanced mixing systems use computer-controlled recipes that automatically adjust ingredient quantities, ensuring consistency across large batches. Some mixers also include sensors that can detect the density of the mixture, providing real-time adjustments to maintain uniformity. The seasoned mixture is funneled into casings to form the characteristic sausage shape. Casings can be either natural, derived from animal intestines, or synthetic, depending on the type of sausage. Natural casings are prized for their texture and flavor, while synthetic casings are used for their uniformity and ease of handling. Large-scale operations use advanced machinery capable of stuffing and linking sausages at rates exceeding 1,000 pounds per hour. Imagine watching a line of gleaming stainless steel machines that stuff casings with mechanical precision, filling each one to the exact required weight before the linking device automatically twists them into uniform links. These machines ensure consistency and efficiency, producing thousands of sausages each day. Optical sensors are used in some facilities to monitor the stuffing process in real time, detecting any irregularities in casing fill or linking. This technology ensures each sausage is perfectly formed, with minimal waste or variation. Moreover, computer systems track every batch to ensure that each sausage is traceable back to its source, providing transparency and accountability in the production chain. Depending on the type of sausage, the next step involves cooking, smoking, or curing. Cooking. Sausages are heated to specific temperatures to ensure they are safe for consumption. Large steam ovens are often used, which can cook hundreds of sausages simultaneously, ensuring uniform doneness. The cooking time and temperature are precisely controlled to achieve the desired texture and flavor, with internal sensors monitoring the process to guarantee that every sausage is fully cooked to a safe internal temperature of around 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Smoking. Sausages are exposed to smoke from burning wood chips, infusing them with rich, deep flavors. This process can take several hours depending on the desired taste. Different types of wood, such as hickory or applewood, are used to impart unique flavors, with automated systems controlling smoke density and temperature. Smoking not only enhances flavor, but also helps preserve the sausages by reducing moisture content, creating that iconic smoky taste that many people love. Curing. Some sausages are cured to develop unique textures and flavors while extending shelf life. The curing process involves the addition of salts and nitrates, which help preserve the sausage while allowing flavors to mature over time. Dry curing can take several weeks, resulting in the complex flavors found in products like salami or pepperoni. During this process, the sausages are hung in climate-controlled rooms, allowing the flavors to deepen and develop while reducing moisture content to achieve the perfect texture. After these treatments, the sausages are cooled and, in some cases, dried to achieve the perfect texture and extend their shelf life. The cooling process is carefully monitored to ensure the sausages reach safe temperatures quickly, minimizing any potential bacterial growth. Advanced chilling systems use blast chillers to rapidly reduce the temperature, locking in the freshness and flavor. Quality control is a crucial aspect of sausage production. Throughout the cooking, smoking, and curing stages, samples are taken and tested to ensure they meet strict safety and quality standards. These tests include microbial analysis, texture measurements, and flavor profiling. Microbial testing is performed in on-site laboratories, where technicians analyze samples for bacteria such as Salmonella and Listeria. Each sample is subjected to rigorous scrutiny, ensuring no harmful microbes are present. Texture measurements are taken using specialized equipment that mimics the chewing process, ensuring the sausages have the right bite and consistency. Imagine a mechanical arm mimicking the motion of biting into a sausage, precisely measuring its resistance to ensure it delivers that satisfying snap. Flavor profiling is conducted by trained sensory panels who evaluate the taste, aroma, and overall eating experience of the sausages. These panels are composed of individuals with highly developed senses of taste and smell, trained to detect even the subtlest differences in flavor. By maintaining rigorous quality control throughout the production process, companies can ensure that every sausage that reaches the consumer is safe, flavorful, and of the highest quality. The final step is packaging. Vacuum sealing and controlled environment packing are standard practices that extend shelf life and maintain freshness. Advanced packaging lines can seal thousands of packages per hour, reflecting the efficiency and sophistication of modern production facilities. Each package undergoes a final inspection to ensure it meets quality standards before being shipped to markets worldwide. For example, automated weight checks, metal detectors, and visual inspections are used to ensure every package meets the necessary requirements before distribution. In addition to traditional vacuum sealing, some sausages are packaged using modified atmosphere packaging, MAP, which replaces the air inside the package with a gas mixture that helps preserve freshness. This method is particularly useful for extending the shelf life of fresh sausages without the need for preservatives. Imagine a facility where rows of sausages pass through machines that automatically replace the air with nitrogen or carbon dioxide, sealing the freshness inside each package. Once packaged, sausages are transported to distribution centers and then on to retailers, restaurants, and consumers. The logistics of sausage distribution are carefully managed to maintain the cold chain, ensuring that the product remains at a safe temperature throughout transport. Refrigerated trucks equipped with GPS tracking are commonly used to monitor temperature and location in real time, reducing the risk of spoilage. This level of precision ensures that by the time the sausages arrive at your local grocery store, they're as fresh as the moment they left the factory. Distribution centers play a crucial role in managing inventory and ensuring that sausages reach their destinations promptly. Advanced inventory management systems help track product movement, ensuring that retailers receive fresh products with optimal shelf life. The efficiency of the logistics network is key to maintaining the quality and freshness of the sausages that ultimately reach consumers. Behind every sausage lies a blend of science, technology, and craftsmanship. From the farm to the factory, every step in the production process reflects a commitment to quality, safety, and innovation. The journey from a live animal to a ready-to-eat product is a complex dance of precision engineering and artisanal skill, ensuring consumers receive a product that is both delicious and safe. Advances in food science have allowed producers to fine-tune every aspect of sausage production, from ingredient selection to cooking methods. Automation plays a significant role here, as robots and computer-controlled systems handle many of the repetitive tasks with accuracy and consistency. For example, robotic arms are often used in the trimming stage, guided by sensors that precisely identify the sections of meat that need trimming. These robots work alongside human operators, making the process faster and more consistent while still allowing for the artisanal touch that ensures quality. Data analytics is also transforming the sausage making industry. By collecting data at every stage of production, from the health of pigs on the farm to the temperatures maintained during cooking, producers can make informed decisions to improve both efficiency and quality. For instance, if a batch of sausages shows slight variations in texture, data analytics can help trace the issue back to a specific stage, such as incorrect mixing times or temperature deviations during cooking. By continuously analyzing production data, companies can refine their processes to ensure the highest quality product reaches the consumer. Despite these technological advancements, the role of skilled workers remains indispensable. Human expertise is crucial in overseeing the production process, making real-time adjustments, and ensuring every sausage meets quality expectations. Craftsmanship comes into play particularly in flavor development, where the blend of spices, the curing process, and even the smoking method can be adjusted to create new varieties that cater to evolving consumer tastes. Master butchers and food scientists work together to innovate, blending traditional recipes with new techniques to appeal to a broad range of preferences. Sustainability is becoming increasingly important in the sausage production industry. Producers are adopting practices that reduce waste, conserve resources, and minimize environmental impact, aiming for a greener future while maintaining the same high standards of quality and efficiency. One major area of focus is energy efficiency. Many processing facilities are investing in energy-efficient equipment and renewable energy sources to power their operations. For instance, some sausage production plants now use solar panels to generate electricity, significantly reducing their carbon footprint. Additionally, anaerobic digesters are used to convert organic waste, such as unused meat trimmings and byproducts, into biogas, which can be used to power the plant. By turning waste into a valuable energy resource, companies can reduce both their energy costs and their environmental impact. Water conservation is also a key priority. The sausage-making process requires a substantial amount of water, particularly in cleaning and chilling stages. Producers are implementing closed-loop water systems that recycle water used during processing, reducing consumption while maintaining hygiene standards. Some facilities have developed methods to purify and reuse up to 70% of the water used, significantly cutting down on waste. Another aspect of sustainability is the use of packaging materials. Many producers are moving away from traditional plastic and adopting biodegradable or recyclable alternatives. For example, some sausages are now packaged in compostable films made from plant-based materials, which decompose naturally without leaving harmful residues. This shift not only reduces the environmental impact of packaging waste, but also aligns with the growing consumer demand for eco-friendly products. Efforts are also being made to minimize food waste. In sausage production, many byproducts can be repurposed rather than discarded. Bones and other scraps are often processed into animal feed or used to produce gelatin, while fats can be rendered for use in other food products. By finding uses for every part of the pig, producers are making sausage production more efficient and sustainable. In addition to sustainability, transparency has become a critical factor in the meat industry. Consumers are more interested than ever in knowing where their food comes from and how it is produced. Sausage producers have responded by providing more detailed information about their processes and ingredients. Many companies now include QR codes on their packaging that consumers can scan to learn about the farm, where the pigs were raised, the production practices used, and the journey of the sausage from factory to store. Food safety is a fundamental concern throughout the production process. Every step, from animal care on the farm to packaging the final product, is subject to strict regulatory oversight and internal quality checks. For example, facilities must adhere to the Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points (HACCP) system, which involves identifying potential food safety hazards and implementing measures to control them. In addition, producers must comply with guidelines set forth by the USDA and FDA to ensure the safety and quality of the meat. These rigorous standards are designed to minimize risks such as bacterial contamination and ensure that every sausage that reaches the consumer is safe to eat. Advanced technologies are used to further enhance safety measures. For instance, many facilities have implemented X-ray and metal detection systems to scan finished products for any foreign materials, ensuring that the sausages are not only tasty but also free of contaminants. Real-time monitoring systems track critical parameters such as temperature, humidity, and ingredient weights, helping ensure that every sausage meets quality and safety requirements. The human element remains crucial here as well. Quality assurance teams are trained to perform regular inspections, ensuring that both machinery and personnel are following the correct procedures. This dual approach, technological monitoring combined with human oversight, creates multiple layers of protection, making sure that nothing slips through the cracks. For consumers, enjoying a sausage is often part of a cultural or family tradition. Whether it's a backyard barbecue, a hearty breakfast, or a holiday meal, sausages play an important role in culinary traditions around the world. Producers are continually innovating to offer new flavors, varieties, and formats to meet changing consumer preferences. One example of innovation is the rise of specialty sausages tailored for specific diets. Whether it's low-fat, low-sodium, organic, or even plant-based, there are options for everyone. Traditional sausage makers are expanding their lines to include organic or hormone-free varieties, providing healthier choices without compromising on taste. Companies are also exploring plant-based options, using soy, pea protein, and other alternatives to create sausages that appeal to vegetarians and flexitarians who still crave the flavors and textures of classic sausages. There is also a growing trend of regional and artisan sausages making their way into mainstream markets. Regional specialties such as andouille from Louisiana or the spicy Portuguese linguiça are becoming increasingly popular among consumers seeking diverse flavors. By incorporating traditional recipes and methods, producers are able to deliver the rich, authentic tastes that consumers are looking for. Artisanal sausages are often produced in smaller batches with an emphasis on quality and craftsmanship, which resonates with consumers who value authenticity and are willing to pay a premium for a unique product. The next time you enjoy a sausage, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it took to reach your plate. From ethical farming practices to advanced production technologies, every bite is a testament to human ingenuity and dedication. The careful attention to detail, from animal welfare to quality control, ensures that each sausage is not only delicious, but also produced with care for both the consumer and the environment. This entire process, from farm to table, embodies a perfect blend of tradition and technology. On the one hand, there's a deep respect for the traditional practices of sausage making, the artisanal blending of flavors, and the slow smoking to achieve the perfect taste. On the other, there's cutting-edge technology ensuring efficiency, consistency, and safety, all while keeping an eye on sustainability and consumer transparency. These elements come together in a way that honors the past while embracing the future of food production. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into sausage production. We hope you have a newfound appreciation for the craftsmanship, science, and hard work that goes into creating this beloved food. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of food production. Until next time, savor the flavors and enjoy the craftsmanship behind your favorite foods.